Hi guys, I am Vivek. Today's my topic is agents and its types. What is agent? Agent is anything that can be viewed and perceiving its environment through sensors and acting upon that environment through actuators. It is here. See here, agent is anything that can be viewed as the perceiving its environment. Perceiving means receiving from environment. What if the environment contain? It will be received from the agent. Here is its environment and its environment through the sensors and acting upon the environment through effectors. Effectors are actuators. For here agents are five types of agents. Another example is agents are robotic agents and human agents. Human agents are containing sensors like eyes and nose and ears and like this. And robotic agents are sensor contains cameras and a wide variety of etc. This is the types of agents: simple reflex agent, model based reflex agent, goal based reflex agent, utility based agent, and learning agent. Simple agent is the agent that works on the basis of current perceptions. Perceptions means taking the input from the environment, whatever the environment contained in the environment, that taking from the agent, and it does not bother about the previous state, which is which system has. This type of agent is based upon the conditions and condition acts. It is condition acts means condition which is present in the environment, like papers and zebra crossing and this. It is act on simple reflection. Simple reflex agents. Simple reflex agents act only on the basis of the current perceptions, ignoring the rest of the percept history. It is act on only on the present perceptions. Present perception, what is the content in the present, it will be act on present, ignoring the rest of the perceptions of history. The agents of the functions is based on the conditions and rules. I already told that the condition rule which is present in the environment. It is succeed when the environment is fully observable. It is observable in environment. Some of the reflection agent also contain information on their current states, which is allows them on degrade conditions. This is the simple reflex agent, and this is the diagram of simple reflex agent. And second one is model based reflex agent. Model based reflex agent is which is model based reflex agent that can take an action on the model of the world. They maintain in the internal state. Model is thing happen in the world. Internal state is a representation of past perception history. This is the model based diagram. This is the environment. Fourth one is goal based agent. Goal based agent, what is the goal is fixed and contain. If you take the artificial card, which is goal is given to the artificial card and destination given to the destination, that is the goal based. That here the artificial card is the agent which ways give the goal, they reach the destination. This is the goal based environment. Final one, and utility based agent. Utility based agent only distinguishes between goals and states and non-goal states, and it is the possible of definitions and measure how to desirable and a particular state is. This is the measurable can be obtained through the use of utility function, which is maps a state to a measure of the utility of the state. More general performance of the measurable should be allows a comparison of the different world states according to exactly how they happen. They would be make the agent. That unknown utility can be used on that describe they happen when this agent is. The final one is learning agent. The learning agent which is contained from the learning from the environment. The car is there. It is a agent. Artificial intelligence is a car. It is the agent acting like agent and learning from the environment. What is contained in the environment? How to stop and how to brake, and the last finally learning. This is the fight of the types of agents. Thank you.